Singh Vishnu was the founder. Singh Vishnu. Sim Vishnu. Sim Vishnu. 575 to 600. 575 C to 600 C was the actual founder of Pallava dynasty. Actual founder. Before him, there were feudal lords only. Pallavas were feudal lords only before him. Actual founder of Pallava dynasty. His sculptures are found at his sculptures are found at Adi Varsa temple. Adi Varsa temple. His sculptures are found at Adi Varsa temple at Mahadevapuram. At Mahadevapuram. Mahadevapuram. Important rulers of this dynasty. Important rulers of this dynasty. Singh Vishnu. Sim Vishnu. Sim Vishnu. Mahendra Varman first. Mahendra Varman first. Narsingh Varman first. Mahendra Varman second. Narsingh Varman second. And Aparajit Varman. Last one is Aparajit. Mahendra Varman first. Next point. Mahendra Varman first. 600 to 630 CE. Mahendra Varman first was the follower of Jainism. He was the follower of Jainism. He was the follower of Jainism. But later on, he was converted to Shaivism. Later on, he was converted to Shaivism. Later on, he was converted to Shaivism, Lord Shiva follower. He became Lord Shiva, Shaivism. Under the guidance of Shaivite saint Apar. Under the guidance of Shaivite saint Apar. Under the guidance of Shaivite saint Apar. He was Shaivite saint Apar. So earlier he was Jain, now became Shaivite. And you know that Shaivites has many branches in India. Some important branches are Kapalik, Kalmukh, Pashupat. So Pashupat means Lord Shiva is known as Pashupati also. Pashupati. This is very important sect, Pashupati. It was founded by Lakulis in Gujarat. Pashupati. Lakulish. This has been asked in UPSC 5-6 years back. Lakulish. Founder was Lakulish in Gujarat. Pashupati Sampradaya. Pashupati sect. Kalmukh, Kapalik, Kalmukh, Kapalik and Pashupati. Different branches of Saivism are there. Vaishnavism is there. Branchification of religion. Okay, so Mahendra Varman. Mahendra Varman first, he was Jain, first later became Saivite. So Saivite means the follower of Saivism. Now this time UPSC has asked some titles which were assumed by Mahendra Varman first. Getting the point? You will be checking the question. So this time in 2025 they have asked about some titles like Vichitra Chit. Don't write. Just see. Vichitra Chit. Gunvar. And Mat Bilas. 3 titles. Getting the point? So these titles are assumed by Mahendra Varman first, and they are inscribed in a particular inscription which is there in your new NCERT book. वहीं से ये क्वेश्चन आया था, ठीक है. तो अभी 2 बार पूछा है these titles were assumed by which ruler. अब नेक्स्ट टाइम में क्या पूछेगा? That particular inscription they may ask, because that is portrayed in NCERT books. तो NCERT books में मैंने पहले भी बताया था जो बॉक्स आइटम्स हैं वहां से प्रश्न बार बार आएंगे. नहीं, ये एनसीईआरटी में बहुत अच्छे से बनाया गया है, या कुछ अगर पोर्ट्रे है, कुछ डिपिक्ट किया गया, कुछ इंस्क्रिप्शन दिया हुआ है, तो वहां से जरूर क्वेश्चन आएंगे. अगर एनसीईआरटी न्यू या पुराने एनसीईआरटी में अशोक का कोई मेजर एडिक्ट मेंशन किया गया है तो संभावना है कि वहां से आएगा क्वेश्चन. गेटिंग द पॉइंट? तो इस तरह से क्वेश्चन वो फॉर्म करते हैं. सो विचित्र चित, विचित्र मीन्स वंडर ना, वंडरफुल. विचित्र वंडरफुल. चित मीन्स मन. सो वंडरफुल थिंकर. विचित्र चित मीन्स वंडरफुल thinkers. So that is why he assumed this title, first thing. And then Gunvar. Gun means virtues. Na? Var means full of virtues. Gunvar. And then Mat Bilas. This is a satire. You know, no? There is a satire writing. So he has written a satire known as Mat Bilas. Mat Bilas Prahasan. Prahasan means satire. Means he has made the mockery of Kapaliks. Made the mockery of. So that's why he also assumed the title of Mat Bilas, and he was the author of Mat Bilas Prahasan, means satire. So take down this. 3. Mahendra Barman first assumed the titles of. Mahendra Barman first assumed the Mahendra Barman first assumed the titles of. He assumed the titles of Vichitra Chit, wonderful thinker, Vichitra Chit, Gunvar, and Mat Bilas, है ना? हाँ, Mat Bilas means mockery of Kapaliks. Mat Bilas means mockery of Kapalik. Mockery of Kapalik means he joked. He made the joke of Kapaliks. Mockery, satire. He wrote satire on them, Kapalik. He assumed the titles of Vichitra Chit, Gunvara, and Mat Bilas, and he was the author of. Mat Bilas, which is a book on satire. He was the author of a famous book, Mat Bilas, which is a book on satire, comedy, tragedy, satire writing, different styles of writing. Satire means prahasan, mockery, satire. Satirist, satire, व्यंग करने वाला, उपहास उड़ाने वाला, satire. This is mentioned in Manda Gapattu inscription. Manda Gapattu. Manda Gapattu. Gapattu inscription. Manda Gapattu inscription. So Manda Gapattu is a place in Tamil Nadu. So from here, this inscription is there. And Mat Vilas satire was written on Kapalik, a sect of Saivites. He was defeated by Pulkesin II. Mahendra Barman was defeated by Pulkesin II, the Chalukya ruler. Chalukya ruler. So continuous conflict would be going between Chalukyas and Pallavas to have control over Krishna Tungbhadra Dwab. No? For having the control over this Dwab, they would be always having the conflict. Narsingh Barman first. Narsingh Barman first. 632 668. Narsingh Barman first. First 632 668. Narsingh Barman first. He was a great expansionist. He was a great Narsingh Barman first was a great expansionist. Expansion happened at his time. Great expansionist. He defeated Pulkesin II in the Battle of Batapi. He was a great expansionist. He defeated Pulkesin II in the Battle of Batapi. In the Battle of Batapi. And assumed the title of Batapi Konda. Assumed the title of Batapi Konda. He led a naval expedition. He led a naval expedition to Sri Lanka. To help Sri Lankan king. To help Sri Lankan king to get the throne. To get the throne. To help the Sri Lankan king to get the throne. Narsingh Barman first was a great wrestler. Narsingh Barman first was a great wrestler. Wrestler means Mamla. Wrestler is known as Mamla. Wrestler. Mamla, wrestler, fighter. He was the founder of city of Mamalapuram. He was the founder of the city of Mamalapuram. Wensang, the Chinese traveler to India, Chinese Buddhist traveler. Wensang came at the time of Harshvardhana. Wensang visited Kanchi during his reign. Wensang visited Kanchi during his reign. Wensang visited Kanchipuram during his reign. During his ruling period. Narsingh Barman II. Narsingh Barman II. 695. Narsingh Barman II. 6952 722. 6952 722 C. Narsingh Barman II was a great patron of art and architecture. He was a great patron, Narasimha Burman. Second was a great patron of art and architecture. Great patron of art and architecture. Patron, great patron of art and architecture. His style of architecture is known as Raj Simha style. Raj Simha. His style of architecture is known as Raj Simha style, because he was also known as Raj Simha, because Narasimha Burman II is also known as Raj Simha. His court poet was Dandin. Dandin was his court poet. Dandin was his court poet. Who was a famous Sanskrit grammarian. Famous Sanskrit grammarian. And also was the author of Das Kumar Charit. Author of Das Kumar Charit. Author of Das Kumar Charit.